what's up? I'm bored. I'm just gonna do a unboxing on a speaker because I don't know what to do for a video. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, let's get started. This is not even good. This is not even good. Like this happened. Like, hold up. The selfie stick broke when I was like pulling it, pulling the pulling it. So I don't know what. I don't know what to do now. But I'm still bored right now. I can't do that because I don't know. Or should I just hold it like this? Okay, let's just start. Alright, so speaker. Now my friends have seen this before. No, but they never seen the box of it. So here we go. My mom bought it. Her name's right here. They signed it. So let's open it. Alright, so we got speakers, speaker, whatever. Volume rockers, power, and Bluetooth. We also have the cords to charge the Bluetooth speaker right there. Now let's see what's behind here. UE Ultimate Ear Boom. What's this? Oh yeah, this is to cover like the holes for these two here. Alright. So that UE Ultimate Ears. Yep. Where's the UE Ultimate Ears? Put the charger back. Hold up, I need to do this with two hands. Two hands. Shoot. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Alright, so back here. I'll put this back. I'll put it back. Two hands again, hold on. And there. This is just the wall adapter, or the wall plug, whatever. Yeah. The wall charger. Alright, let's yeah, this. No signs. Alright, so probably, I know this is so short, but I just need to make a video because I'm so bored in the room. Alright, so see you. Alright, so I don't know what to call you yet, but peace out.